the Vitamin C Sport Band from Apple. It came out June 8 along with 3 other summer colors listed in the description. It's $49 at Apple and works with any generation Apple Watch per size. I'll be giving you my honest review, matching watch faces, and what to wear with it, so you see if it works for you. By the way, I'll be reviewing the matching iPhone case next, so subscribe so you don't miss out. Give this video a like if it helps, and subscribe for more. Let's peel this orange. Vitamin C is one of Apple's most brightest and vibrant colors, even more than the Surf Blue Band I reviewed last time, but since my skin is light right now, it doesn't contrast and provide as much pop. The silicone material is like a high quality rubber, which makes it not so breathable, but it's easy to clean and dry, compared to third-party bands that are thin and easily break. After sliding in both ends with a metal piece on the inside, insert the non-buckle end over and under the other end so you can choose which hole to buckle. There are so many watch faces that match this color. Because it's so bright, multicolored faces look great. My personal favorite is the Pride analog face because it exaggerates the energy of the band. Match it to your personality and mood. Animated faces add even more life and expression. Light colors like Meridian could be a good default. I generally lean towards full screen faces with this because it blends so well with the band. But you can never go wrong with the classics. Check out this third-party face inspired by the Off-White brand. It's designed for activewear, but you can still wear it all day, from waking up to the gym and casual. Just don't wear it with a suit or anything formal at work. It looks good with gray from light to dark, which means it also goes with black and white. Have fun with it and add some colors. Since the band's already intense, I like using more subdued colors, if not spots of bright colors, so it doesn't clash. This is why earth tones look so great with it. In conclusion, I highly recommend this if you want to add a bright, happy color to your watch. I really like this band, especially with a matching case. It just takes the experience to another level. But I wish Apple made a new kind of sport band, not just a new color. I mean, they've had the same style for the last few years. But what do you think? Is it time for a new style? Comment your thoughts below. I hope this helped. If so, give it a like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.